So first of all, the minister, Randy, he gonna make a speech in Oromo language that I'm making. So please, will you mind to say, clap your hand as I welcome our minister, Randy. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Go ahead.
Galatumi Ibrahim, and to everyone, let me say Assalamu alaikum. And to everyone here, let me say Galatuma. And my friends, Oromo Akami Jiltu. Makan Ku Randy Boissonneau, I'm your member of parliament and the Minister of Jobs for Canada, and I want to say how delighted I am to be here with you here today and Sheikh Abdi Hussein to inaugurate mashalh. My friends, let me quote from the Quran, and this is from Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah, who narrates that the Holy Prophet said, whoever builds a mosque for the sake of Allah, like a sparrow's nest for Allah, or even smaller, will build for him a house in paradise. So says the Prophet in the Quran. My friends, you have my congratulations, my solidarity, my friendship. May the community grow here in Edmonton, across Canada, and in the arms of Allah. Milka Jannah!
Okay, next, I'll invite MLA City Center, David Shepherd, and MLA North, David Yeager, together to say hello to the Oromo people.
Well, thank you so much. Welcome to Oromo. And to all of you, to the imams, and to all of the leaders of the Oromo community. I just want to thank you for building a beautiful mosque here in this city and for the province. You know, there's almost 10,000 Oromo here in Alberta now. And we welcome each and every one of you and your families to make sure we build a place where you can prosper, where you can be safe, and you can be safe to practice your religion and your culture here as well. On behalf of the Alberta Legislature, I thank you, and I pass you on to Dave Shepherd.
Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters. It's wonderful to join you here today to celebrate the opportunity that you are building here in our communities. Alberta is a place of opportunity for everyone who comes here to build a home. And this space represents a place for you in your community, for you to practice your culture, your values, your faith, as part of the incredible diversity of what makes up our province. Because let us be clear, you are Albertans. You are part of this province. You contribute to our culture here, and you deserve to have the opportunity to build good opportunities for you, your families, to practice your culture and your faith. We are very happy to be here to support you in that, to always stand with you in that. And of course, right here in Edmonton is where the first mosque was built in Canada. Now we see. So you build on a proud tradition. So on behalf of myself, and all of the members of the Alberta NDP Black Caucus, my colleagues Rhiannon Hoyle and Marie Mazi, and of course all of the members of the Alberta NDP Caucus, we congratulate you on this beginning. We stand with you as you begin continue your fundraising process. And we look forward to many, many more opportunities to support you here with this mosque and with the Oromo community. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. MLA David Shepherd from City Center, at the same time MLA from Northside. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Next, I will invite Honorable K.C. Madu, former Minister of Justice and Deputy Premier of Alberta. K.C. Madu, at the same time, former
Oromo. Thank you, and congratulations on this fantastic facility and having me out here today. I was your former member of Parliament. I hope to be your member of Parliament again. You're vital to our community. Congratulations today, and best wishes for everything that you do in the future.
Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Listen, I am your brother, I am one of you. I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for being here, for the work that you do, not just for Edmonton, not just for our brother, not just for our country, but more importantly, for our families, for our communities, for our children, and the values that we hold so dear to our heart. The Premier wanted to be here this afternoon, but she is in Chicago, and I told her I was going to be here, and she has asked me to extend her best wishes to each and every one of you. Brothers, I just want to say this to you. Never forget who we are.